Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a bag charm, guys. Look at, I have all the goodies right here. I'm gonna do this one a little bit different than my other DIYs, guys. Let's see how it goes. I'm not doing a voiceover as usual. I like to do voiceovers because I usually have the kids in the background, or I love to listen to music when I'm crafting. So I was like, you know what, let's do this. So yes, I have everything I'm gonna be using right now, guys. This is my first time doing a bag charm. I know they're super popular right now. Everybody is adding charms and charms to their bags. So I was like, why not do one myself, you know? So I got this little chain from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. Look at this. It's gonna go like this on the bag, okay? So this is that. I also have these little jump rings that that I bought because when I got these, I ordered them online from Michael's, like, to pick up, and I wasn't sure. Oh no, lie, guys, I got these from Walmart. I got some other ones because I wanted to do a few. I'm just gonna see how this one goes first because, like I said, this is my first time doing it. So yeah, I got these from Walmart and I got these from Michael's. So I wasn't sure if they had any on them and how long I wanted them to go on the actual chain. So I bought these, and then I have my little pliers to, you know, put them on. So it shouldn't take that long to do. So we shall see, guys. And let me know what you guys think about this DIY. Should I like edit my videos, go back to editing? It's cool like this. Let me know, okay? So I'm gonna start off by taking these off. Let me see. I thought these were so cute, you know. Like I said, I did buy them online, so I wasn't sure how big they were gonna be, but I feel like they're okay. They're a good size, not too huge, you know. There's that one, guys. And don't look at my nails either. I know they look gross right now. I need to do my nails. I just took off the old ones, so don't look at my nails. Just look at what I'm doing. Okay, there goes that. Let me take these off. Okay, so I have 4, right? And then the chain is like this. So I was thinking what order to do. I feel like I'm just gonna go like this, right? I kind of wanted Jack and Sally together, but I want the green right there. I feel like it looks nice. So I'm gonna put them like this, and then let me see. I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Because I'm trying to like space them out, you know? So I don't want them to be like too close to each other or whatever. You know what I mean? Basically, you guys are watching like the behind the scenes, everything I do cut out, you know? So, okay. I'm gonna put it, let me see. Let me see. And I think I am gonna use this just to make them dangle a little bit, right? I don't want them to go everywhere. Oh, it's a little baggy. I had some of these, but I don't know what happened to them, so I had to buy more. Don't you hate when that happens? Like when you need something, it just disappears. Okay. Well, I have a few here. Wait. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm gonna do it at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like right there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay. Sorry, guys. You can skip through all those boring parts if you want. But okay. So I'm going to do one every 5, I guess. And I'm just going to add one just to make it a little bit longer, you know? Okay, maybe I should start using the little pliers. Use this one. Okay, so I got Jack. I'm gonna put him in there, and now I'm gonna hook it up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to this one. I'm gonna have to open it up more. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm gonna close it up. Oh my gosh. Trying to make it tight. Okay, I might skip some of that, you know, so you guys don't get bored to death. Let me see. Is it gonna stay? So it's gonna go like this on the back, right? Look at that. Oh, how cute. Okay, I think for these I might put 2. Just so it's a little bit longer, you know, because it's in the middle. Focus. Okay, maybe if I do this. Yeah. I don't know why I did that. I should have just... ah! Okay. I'm gonna put this one here. Close it up. Okay. So this one's gonna have 2. You guys see that? So it dangles a little more. I don't know why I closed this, guys. Oh my gosh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm gonna close this. Okay. Let's see how it looks. Why are they both facing that way? There. There you go. So it's 1, 2. And then she's gonna have 2, 2, and then 0, 1. Just to make them a little longer. Or maybe, you know what? I might end up adding more. I don't know. Just to make it look more dangly, you know? Here's one. I'll add her to this one. Oh my gosh. It's pretty simple, guys. It's pretty simple. Even though you're seeing me struggle. But yeah, I just wanted to do this. I thought it would be so fun, so cute. You know, making my own little charms. Let's see. Oh my gosh. And then now I'm gonna put it on the charm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what? Let me do 0 first. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I closed it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put it here. Close it up. I went too far. There you go. Okay. And then Sally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She is gonna go right there. Okay. So, how's it looking? Yeah, I think I like the 3 one better, right? I don't know if I should add one more too. Go. And that is it, guys. Look at this. So, I ended up adding an extra one to Oogie Boogie, guys. Look at that. Super cute and super simple, right? So, I also did get these because I wanted to add this to my custom Merchie gift bag. And, you know, the straps on those are super thick. So, I was like, ooh, hopefully these will work perfect on the bag. So, I'm going to add these to these. Like that. See that? Super easy. I'll have these linked down below as well. They have a bunch in different sizes, so you can see here. And now I'm going to add it to my bag. So guys, I added the charm to the bag, and look at this, guys. I took off all my other charms just so you guys could focus on this charm. And look at it, guys. I think it looks so adorable. I love how it came out, guys. It's super easy DIY. I did have to bend the handles a little bit, the straps of the bag, just to make the hook fit a little better. You can see right there. But guys, oh my gosh, I love how it came out. It was a super easy project, guys. Super quick. I highly recommend for you guys to try it out. Super fun. I will definitely be making more of these. I have Little Jack, Oogie Boogie, Sally, and Zero, guys. I love it. But yes, guys, let me know what you guys think. Did you guys like this DIY? Should I go back to editing and voiceovers? Let me know. But yes, guys, I hope you did learn a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you haven't. If you already did, thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.